This is gonna blow your mind. Some of the world's best beaches aren't in brochures. Want to escape the crowds? Here's where to go. First up, Shell Beach in Western Australia. Imagine a shoreline made entirely of tiny white shells, stretching as far as you can see. No crowds, just crunch underfoot. Next, Playa del Amor, Mexico's hidden beach. Tucked inside a crater on the Marietta Islands, you'll feel like you've stumbled into a secret world. Crystal clear water, soft sand. Barely a soul in sight, finally, Calo des Moro in Mallorca, Spain. This cove is hugged by dramatic cliffs and turquoise water, so peaceful you'll think you've left the planet. So, next time you're planning a getaway, skip the tourist traps. Seek out these hidden gems and make the beach your own. Like, share, and subscribe to Shab's Travel Guide.